Hey, what's up, everyone? It's your pal Oliver is awesome back here again, and welcome back to more Animal Forest Island Scramble on the Japanese 3DS. Well, it's a sub-mod really about Animal Forest, basically. And remember last time I said it was going to take me a long time to unlock any more islands? I was wrong. We actually do have 5 more islands to look at, so make of that what you will. But I'm not a liar, and I am not admitting otherwise.
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's your pal Bailey back here again. Just forgot to mention that.
Did you really, or was it just an excuse to copy my Aunt Trouble with your own name instead of the channel name?
As if I would.
Yeah, that's exactly what you'd do, because you're a rascal.
I'm not a rascal.
Yeah, sure you're not. Give me three, give me three, give me three! Ow! I only got the one. Plus, this game hates my guts.
I doubt that's true.
Hmm. Ooh, 7 coconuts this time. Nice. And we are now able to open a coconut hut.
That last sentence was seriously lacking in flow.
Alright.
Speaking of which, I saw your final episode of Rhythm Paradise Mega Mix.
Yeah. Mm. Oh no, she's slow. Then again, I did have her as a teammate before. Alright, I think I'll try and get some of these areas unshaded in the next part of this... In the next segment of this island, basically. Six. I'm gonna come here to what I'm hoping is a log. It is not a log. Oh god, it's a pitfall seed. Great. Yes, come on. And I will be showing off the mystery wheel every time it appears. Come on. Come on. Oh, I thought for sure the centipede was gonna win. Because, like, when the centipede does win, it's bad because it knocks you out, and you then can't play as that character for a day unless you have the medicine item, so it's kind of an insult, if I'm gonna be truthfully honest, but thank god it doesn't come to that. Four. Great, 4 coconuts. Yeah, I forgot that can happen. Can this be a log? Oh, fuck. Oh, it's going to be one of these, isn't it? Where it's going to be hard to find all the stupid raft items. Great. I'm assuming I'm probably going to have to cut ahead in a bit. Wait. It went down! It went down 2 spaces as I was... Oh, for the love of Pete. Great. I'm going to love this, aren't I?
I've never actually played Animal Forest before, should I?
Yeah. I mean, I think you should, but... I won't be buying you a copy of it, though. And of course, my fingers go all over the place. I'm not going to buy you a copy, though, because I am hoping to someday get Nakotomo for the Japanese 3DS. And Nakotomo is a sequel to Teddy Together with 2 cats instead of a bear that never left Japan, which I think is kind of stupid. I wish it had left Japan, but it did not. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, no! Great, now he's dizzy and can't do anything else. No. Why did you move back? Moron. No, no, I'm not interested in whatever's hiding in that bush. I'm not interested. And that is why I'm not interested. What am I going to do now? Great. So now that area, that one, and that one are all blocked by centipedes. I have literally nowhere to go.
Try. I think you might be able to swim.
That's a great idea. Hope I can fight this one at least. I don't even know how long I've been recording. Are you kidding me? 8.5 minutes! Just give me that sail, boy. Joe, it's highly unlikely I'm going to find anything else for a raft here, so I'm going to focus on this area. Excuse me, I can only hear one character.
Oh, well, that's just not fair at all. Maybe you need more than one medicine item? I'm just working with what you give me here. I can't. I've never played Animal Forest before, so I don't know how to help.
Well, I appreciate you for trying. Just as long as at least you're trying to help. That's what means most to me. Yeah, I'm going to cut ahead to when I find so when I actually find my first log, which is what I am looking for. Finally, I found my first log. Finally. Okay, so I found out that apparently this bird that I'm playing as right now actually can only fly. He can only fly. He can't walk on the ground like the others in this side game, in the side quest rather. And that blue penguin, that cyan penguin that reindeer just walked past, actually uses 2 spaces. So the amount of spaces she can go goes down in 2s rather than just single digits. Rather than just single units, it takes up 2 whole spaces. So she can move 6, then it goes down to 4, then it goes to 2, and then it goes to 1. Then it goes to 0, rather. So yeah, that penguin is a fat lot of use. Definitely not making this process a hell of a lot harder by a long shot. Absolutely not. So, yeah, this is gonna fail miserably, isn't it? Five coconuts.
16 boxes of coconutties.
Oh, Despicable Me reference. Despicable Me reference right there. I would never have thought of that. So watch, see. So she can do 6 right now, right? Holding her to it. And now she can do 4. Right? Now she's found a coconut tree. That's going to be useful, actually. 1 coconut. Right. So you saw how she went down, how she went from 6 to 4, and now she's at 2? Well. And that's it. It doesn't go 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It actually goes 6, 4, 2 with that light blue penguin. And it is infuriating, especially if you end up failing because of it. And looky, I've only got... Oh, yay, I've only got 2 minutes and 2 days left to complete this island. Oh, joy. Oh, do you know what? I'm just going to cut ahead. I'm just going to cut ahead to when I actually find a log. Okay, I am licked. I am licked. I am licked. If I do not find that last log today, I am screwed. Oh. There we go, we find it. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't believe how much hell that took. I can't believe that. I am never doing that island again. Yes. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys with something else.